This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Stopover app, your full guide to making the most of layovers and travel breaks. Immediately after downloading, launch the app and you will see an option to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Providing a valid email address and setting a secure password takes less than 1 minute. This initial setup ensures all your travel plans are saved securely within the application. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can easily search for potential stopover locations by entering a city name or airport code. The application suggests various activities, from historical sites to culinary experiences, which you can add to your personalized itinerary with a single tap. Setting the precise length of your visit for each activity, perhaps for 2 hours at a museum, helps organize your time efficiently. You will feel prepared and in control of your adventure. As your journey progresses, all your meticulously planned itineraries are available under the My Trips tab, easily accessible offline. The Stopover app provides valuable real-time updates, notifying you of any unexpected changes to your flight or important local alerts, keeping you well informed. You can also quickly share your current location and travel plans with loved ones, ensuring everyone stays connected. This feature adds an extra layer of safety and convenience to your trip. To truly enhance your experience, take a moment to refine your preferences within your profile, which allows the app to offer more personalized suggestions for your next stopover. Discovering unique local spots, often overlooked by typical tourists, is simple through the Hidden Gems feature, contributed by a vibrant community of fellow travelers. Engaging with the Stopover community also opens up a world of new ideas, ensuring every journey is memorable. You will find endless possibilities to explore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.